This is State Representative Roberto Bobby J. Gonzalez, District 42 from Taos. And what I'd like to do is present you with some information to Senate Bill 19, which is a very important piece of legislation for the 2012 legislative session. This is on Senate Bill 19 is Taos County Education Gross Receipts Tax Bond to benefit Taos schools, UNM Taos, Cuesta schools, and Peñasco schools. Senate Bill 19 will provide the funds from bond proceeds for capital improvements projects that have provided funds in the excess of $25 million for the Taos schools, Taos UNM, Cuesta schools, and Peñasco schools. The intent of the pending legislation is to allow voters of Taos County to continue imposing an educational gross receipts tax to provide educational funds for capital projects for schools. The current economic climate has resulted in a significant reduction of financial support from state and federal sources, making local funding essential to successfully provide funds for the capital improvement projects for schools. The educational gross receipts tax will be a continuation of the existing tax that will require the Taos County Commission approval and the voters' approval before the tax can be enacted. In the last 10 years, this has brought major construction projects, which is jobs plus also improvements to the Peñasco Independent Schools, to the Cuesta Independent Schools, to the Taos Municipal Schools, and also to the UNM Taos branch. Within this also the school districts share some of this funding with the charter schools. So capital improvements for the last 10 years have been a big part, for our educational facilities, and also we would not have been able to do this without having the impost of this gross receipts tax that has been enacted 10 years ago.